Day 10, kind of short. Didn't do the time lapse like I normally do because we only got a few of these. Let's see, I think we did like 6 panels and then one more on the top because it's a little bit hard for me to do that by myself, which I'm going to be working all day tomorrow. Hopefully the weather holds like it says it should. Hey crows, I know it's crow time. Probably won't have all this stuff cleaned up, but I want these panels broke down and then all of the rest of these broke down. Some of them won't get broke down, like these with the door, drop panels. I don't take those apart completely. And then I have 3 or 4 more panels right there to put away, but one of them, now that one does have framing, it's just on the other side. But anyhow, and then the other work, yeah, now it's starting to be a pile now. But anyhow, this stuff will all get put away in these totes. Yes, it's actually possible. It's awesome. And then it'll be really time for planning 2025. Oh yeah.